Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
And I'm Rachel. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us.
Yes, welcome. It's always great to have you.
Before we start, please remember to help our channel.
That's right. If you like our podcasts, click that like button.
A little thumbs up?
It helps us so much. And if you are new, click subscribe.
Yes. When you subscribe, you get all our new fun episodes.
And don't forget to share. Send this to a friend who is learning English too.
Okay, done. Charles, what is our topic today?
Today, we are talking about small words.
Small words, like cat and dog?
Yes, like cat and dog, but also I am, thank you, it is, I want.
Oh, the easy words.
Exactly. The topic is the power of using simple words every day.
Okay. I am interested because I think many learners, like me, we want the big words.
Ah, yes. We want to sound smart, right? We learn words like congratulations or expensive.
Yes, I feel good when I learn a big new word.
But how many times do you use that big word?
Expensive? Maybe when I am shopping.
Right. But what about words like I need, I like, it is?
I use those all the time.
That is the secret. Many learners study. They have a big notebook of difficult words.
Yes, I have one.
But they are afraid to speak because they think, I don't know enough words.
Oh, yes, I feel that. I think my English is too simple.
But simple is good. Simple is strong.
Really?
Yes. Think about your day. What do you really say? You say, I am tired. I want coffee. Where is the bus?
That is true. I don't say, I desire a caffeinated beverage.
Exactly. You say, I want coffee. Native speakers use simple words 90% of the time.
Wow, 90%?
Yes, the goal is communication, not a vocabulary test.
Okay, so we need to use the simple words we know.
Yes, we need to use them every day. This is how you train your brain.
Ah, like in our other episode, Training the Brain.
You got it. We need to build that English road in our heads.
And we build it with small bricks.
Yes, I am, you are, he has. These are the bricks. You don't need a big, fancy brick. You need many small, strong bricks.
I love that. A house of simple words.
So, how do we practice? How do we use these bricks every day?
Good question. I am listening.
The first tip is something we talked about before. It is so important. Think in English.
The internal monologue.
Yes, your private thoughts. When you are at home, you don't need to be quiet in your head.
What do I do?
You are in the kitchen. You are making breakfast.
Okay.
Think the simple sentences. I am in the kitchen. I want toast. Where is the butter?
Ah, here is the butter. I like butter.
Yes, Rachel, that is it.
It feels a little silly.
It does, but it is powerful. You are practicing. You are using the words.
And no one can hear me.
No one.
So I can't make a mistake?
Well, you can, but it doesn't matter.
It is just for me.
Okay, I like that. I am walking to the door. I am opening the door.
Perfect. You are connecting the English word, door, with the action, opening.
This is building the road.
This is building the road.
What is another simple thing you do every day?
I write a list for the supermarket.
Perfect. Write your list in English.
Oh,
You don't need big words. What is on your list?
milk, eggs, bread, apples.
See? Simple. Everyday words.
Wow, that is so easy. I can do that.
You can. And when you are at the store, you can think in English. Where are the apples? I need milk.
These apples are red.
Yes, you are using your English. This is much better than studying a list of vegetables for 1 hour.
Why?
Because you are using it. Your brain thinks, oh, this word apple is useful. I will remember it.
Ah, it's not just a test word. It's a real word.
Exactly. Real life.
Okay, so I think in my head, I write my shopping list. What else?
How about your phone?
My phone.
Yes. Change the language on your phone to English.
Oh, Charles, that is scary.
A little, but you already know your phone. You know where settings is. You know the camera icon.
That's true.
Now you will see the word settings or send or home every day.
100 times a day.
Yes, it's easy passive learning. You will learn new words like wallpaper or brightness just by seeing them.
Wow, that is a great tip. Okay, I will try it. Maybe just for one day.
One day is a start. The goal is to put English in your life, not just in your study time.
I like that. English is not a school subject. It is a tool.
Yes, a tool to use like a hammer. You don't study the hammer.
No, you pick it up and build something.
You build something. We are building communication.
So let's talk about the fear. I think I am afraid to use simple words because I sound like a child.
Ah, yes, this is a big, big feeling for learners.
I want to say something smart, but in my head, I only have, it is good.
It is good as a perfect sentence.
But it's boring.
Is it? If a friend asks you, how is the movie? And you say, it is good, did they understand you?
Yes.
Communication. Goal number 1.
Okay.
Later, when you are comfortable, you can learn, it is fantastic. It is wonderful. It is terrible.
Okay.
But first, you must be comfortable with it is good. Be brave and say the simple sentence.
Be brave and be simple.
Yes, it is much better than saying nothing.
That is true. Many times I am quiet because I am trying to find the perfect big word.
And the moment passes.
Yes.
Just say it. I like this. I am happy. This is interesting.
These are the bricks.
These are the bricks.
What about for people who are very new, just starting?
This is the best time. Start now.
What should they do?
Label your house.
Label?
Yes. Get small pieces of paper, write the word table, and stick it on the table.
Oh.
Is window, chair, mirror, door, computer.
So I see the words all day.
Yes, but don't just see the word.
What do I do?
Use it. Every time you see the door, say out loud or in your head, that is a door.
That is a door.
I am opening the door. I am closing the door.
That is a chair. I am sitting on the chair.
Yes, Rachel, yes. Now you are using it. It is active.
This is great. It's like a game.
It is a game. Learning should be fun. It's not a serious test.
Okay. I am feeling much better about my small words.
They are not small. They are essential. They are the foundation.
The foundation. I like that.
You cannot build a house without a foundation. You cannot speak English without I am and I like.
This is a big mindset change for me.
Good.
I always focused on the new words I don't know.
And I want you to focus on the 100 simple words you do know.
And use them.
All day.
What about writing? I am scared to write.
I have a tip for that, too.
Of course you do.
Don't write an essay. Don't write a long email.
Okay.
Get a notebook, just a small one.
And?
Every night before you sleep, write one sentence.
One sentence?
Just one, a simple one. Use your bricks.
Like, today I ate pasta.
Perfect.
I am tired.
Fantastic.
I watched a movie. It was good.
Hey, that's 2 sentences.
See, it's easy.
Yes, I am happy. I miss my family. Tomorrow is Saturday.
Wow, just one sentence.
This is consistency. Doing a small thing every day is much better than studying for 5 hours on Sunday.
Because I am building the habit.
You are building the habit and you are building the road. You are telling your brain, English is part of my life every day.
Not just on Sunday at 10 a.m.
Right.
This is so good, Charles. I feel motivated. I want to go use my simple words.
That is the goal.
Okay, that was a lot of great advice. Let's do a mini recap.
Good idea.
So, the big idea is don't worry about big, smart words.
No, be proud of your simple, strong, everyday words. They are your bricks.
Yes, and we need to use our bricks.
Yes. Tip number 1 was to think in English, your internal monologue.
I am washing my hands. This water is cold.
Perfect. Tip 2 was to put English into your life.
Like changing your phone language to English or writing your shopping list.
Yes. And tip 3 was the one-sentence journal.
Write one simple sentence in English every night. Today was a good day.
Exactly. Small actions every day. That is the secret.
It's not about being perfect.
It's about being consistent.
Wow, Charles, I feel so much better. I am going to be proud of my simple English.
I am so happy to hear that, Rachel. Your English is great.
Thank you. And thank you all for listening to us today.
Yes, thank you, everyone. That is all our time.
We hope this episode helps you feel more confident.
Remember, learning English is a journey. It is step by step. brick by brick.
Be brave and use your words, even the simple ones.
Especially the simple ones.
And please, if you liked this episode, share it with a friend.
And subscribe so you never miss a conversation. We love making these for you.
And for today's comment, oh, this is perfect.
What is it?
Let's practice. Write one simple sentence in the comments about your day.
Oh, I love that.
Yes, you can write, I am listening to a podcast, or I am happy.
What a great idea. We will read every one.
Yes, we can't wait to read your sentences.
Thank you for listening, everyone. Keep practicing.
And keep smiling. You are doing great.
Bye-bye.
Bye.